Now we're on the server. We have some files here, networking, loader, config and the system folder. D means directory, but anyway folder is empty and it's not so important for us. These files were changed on January 11, 2024. Let's imagine a situation where a hacker has access to your server and can very easily replace a file. For example, loader. Our dates will now not much, but this can be very easily fixed with the touch command. 2024, 1, 11 and for example 23, 20. Loader, check again. As you can see, the date has changed. What should we do in this case, since we may not even notice the file change? Well, actually, there is a way out. If we write the md5sum command and type the asterisk, that is select all files in this directory, we will see the following set of characters. These are our checksums. They are generated only for files, not for the directory. We'll save these checksums to a separate file, because later we can check if they have been changed. To do this, write the same command, md5sum, asterisk, and then enter the file name, for example, md. Let's read md and see all our checksums here. Okay, now let's go from the hacker's perspective. He has some kind of exploit. Let's take a look at it, by the way. It's a simple shell script that displays you have been hacked. Let's put this exploit on our server. We can see the config was created in 24, the loader in 24, and our exploit has just been executed. Let's also replace one of the files. Let's delete, for example, the same loader and rename the exploit to the loader. Of course, we'll change the date. I made a mistake somewhere, probably here. As you can see, the loader appears to be from 2024, so it looks safe to open. But as soon as we open file, you have been hacked. To prevent this from happening, we need to check the checksums. To do this, we write md5sum with C and name of file, that is md. As you can see, our config file has not been changed, but the loader check is failed, meaning the file has been changed. That's why you need to use checksums.